Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. So from any screen, it's on Sat Nav at the moment. We click the telephone there, no phone connected. Do you want to connect a device now? Well, the answer is no, but you've got to click yes, and then it brings up this other screen. Search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices, and there you go, you've got my phone there. So if I click on that, you've got delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, and so on. So I want to delete pairing for Barry's iPhone. Yeah, we've gone through all those, not to delete it. So that's it, that's how you delete it. Now, to pair it, what we have to do, make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, then we're watching out at the bottom, but again, from any screen, we go on to telephone, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Search for Bluetooth devices, yes. As I say, we're watching out at the bottom. Discovery Sport is searching. Barry's iPhone 12. So we'll click on that. Pairing iPhone, please start pairing process on your device. If required, it's giving you a pin if required, but it generates a pin here. So it generates a random pin. So yeah, that matches and that matches. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro has been connected. So once your phone's paired, you can also stream audio. Dead easy. If you go to your music, you'll see at the bottom here, Discovery Sport or iPhone, the tick's next to Discovery Sport. So whatever music plays, whatever audio, whatever soundtrack plays, whether it be a video, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, whatever, the audio will play through here if you set it right. So I've turned it down on here. We'll click play. Now go over to the system and you'll see the music symbol there and the clapperboard for video and so on. If I click on the music note, it's on radio at the moment. What we have to do there is click source and then Bluetooth audio. Click Bluetooth audio and you will see that's playing the same tune. There we go. Now if I turn this up, the sound in this is absolutely fantastic. Now it's not playing through here because I've got it turned down on the phone. So if you're ever having problems with audio, make sure your phone's turned up, or if you can't get it loud enough for your liking, turn your phone right the way up and then use the volume control to get it to the right level. Here we go. The doors are vibrating on it. The sound is absolutely fantastic. You can also, if you go into settings over here and then into media, sound, there you've got your balance and fader, and we'll go back. Oops, went back too far. Sound, bass, mid and treble. So as you can see there, and I'm just going to get to a certain bit on this track. I'll have to cut the majority of that out, otherwise I'll get copyrighted. But the sound system is absolutely awesome, and to be honest, I dare say it's even better if you put the blind across for the panoramic roof here. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, we go to this little arrow and the circle. We click on that. The first time you use it, you'll have to click again and say that you're not going to be distracted, so you have to agree to that. So it's a black screen with white writing on, you have to agree. So this is it at the moment. That's just the map. We have to press that again and you've got where to map view favorites. So again, if you want the map view, you click like so, but we want where to, enter postcode. We've changed our address now. We're Grosvenor Garage, I have to remember, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and it's PR. Again, the Range Rover system changes to numbers straight away, so it's PR5. Easier to use than other systems because it's only 2 digits. Normally with 2 digits, on other systems you have to put an underscore in, or a hyphen, or whatever you call, or a space. So PR54EA, that's our new address. That's it, PR54EA. Click on it. It's just
is being calculated.
Calculating the route, and that's okay. We're 35 mile back to the garage, hence the 70 mile road test, and that's it.
Please follow the road for 5.1 miles.
Now, the other great thing with Range Rovers, as I say, everything's dead easy to do. If I click back on that, you've got stop guidance there. So if you don't want it, if you get near enough and you know where you're going from now on, and you can just knock it off without going through all the menu and trying to find something to knock it off. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.